welcome back to my channel, which is Magical Moments with Tirno. If you haven't reviewed this channel before, then I am a child who makes loads of videos. We are going to have a fun journey today. Emirates Boeing 777. I hope you enjoy everything I do. Please like and subscribe throughout this video. On the Emirates A380, we are going to Bangladesh. And now I am setting the time to which day it is today. I always wake up, check on the day of how many days left to go to Bangladesh. And we need two flights to go there. This is my first time going to Bangladesh. I'm super excited. It's also my first time going to an airport and my first time going on a plane. Wow! I'm super excited. I'm going on the plane and right now the Uber is here for me to go on the Emirates. We are going from Birmingham International Airport to Dubai International Airport to Dhaka International Airport. And then we are taking a car. We have now arrived at the airport. And also, would you like to wonder what I'm going to have for food? I'm going to have so much fun on the plane. It's going to be amazing. So, this is a luggage wrapping place in the airport. It looks so cool. It's a luggage point. They wrap your bag for extra security. I am looking at the luggage tags. Did not know that you have to go like immigration and through security, and you have to wait like hours through in check-in. I literally hated check-in. We've been walking for ages. Now finally we're at the departure lounge. Now finally we can see all the planes. They just look so beautiful. And I kind of think that this is the plane we're going to go on. Oh, plane. Are we going on that one?
Maybe.
Wow. I see the plane. This is my favorite part of the journey, going onto the plane. It's up here.
Yes.
I'm so excited to explore the TV and what's on this plane. I hope I enjoy it.
I've been to mates.
Look, it's a spinning. And that's also a cup holder. I thought that was going to be a remote, but okay. It is taking off. And if you can see, you see that there's a remote here that also acts like a keyboard. Wow! It took a long time to get onto the plane. The journey has started. It's so fun. I literally love it. I can't believe I'm on a plane. It will take 7 hours to go to Dubai and 4 hours to go to Dhaka. We're above the clouds. So I'm gonna get my food now. I want to know what was in the kid meal. Some bread. How do we drink this? Water. And now it's food time. And I have fish for lunch.
Fish?
Yeah, think so.
Is it extra hot? Wow, you sweet corn.
I
Love
don't
sweet corn.
know.
You don't like that? Oh, look, your favorite things.
So, oh.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't know I had raisins. And that's my cake.
What's this?
Fish.
Fish. You like fish?
Yep. Hello, we are on the plane and I am doing my activities with my dad. That was my lunch. And also here, you can see the ice TV. That's the entertainment system. If you press the screen button, then it will come out. So this works like a telephone, and this wheel moves the cursor on the screen. On the back, it's a keyboard. They gave us, with the kids' pack, a duffel bag, some colouring, and they also gave us a book, and also some pen. That kept me busy for some time. And also, you can turn the lights on and off, and I was watching football on the TV. The stars are on the roof. Look at them. They look so cool. And I will watch TV, and when I'll eventually get tired, I'll go to sleep. Morning, everyone. I just woke up and look at the Dubai morning sky. Wow, look at the Dubai sunlight. A few hours later, we're gonna land. Already had breakfast. Whoa, we're above the clouds. It's really amazing to just see them. We are about to land in Dubai International Airport. This was my favorite flight. Oh, we landed safely. We have landed in Dubai. There's so many more airlines I really want to fly, like Swiss. We are now landed in Dubai airport. Now we have to walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. My legs will just get tired eventually. It's so big. Now we even had to go on a train before we go to our departure gate. Another plane to Bangladesh. So today's the 3rd and I missed 2 days, so I have to eat 3 chocolates. Now we are going on the 2nd plane. All the way more hotter in Dubai than the UK. That's why we all changed our shirts. It's more hotter in Dubai than the UK, so we all wore our outfit because I was sweating. And be warned, in the UK it's more colder than Dubai. In case you're feeling too hot, carry clothes in your hand luggage. The remote is not the same as the other flight. I absolutely hate that. The other one had more controls. We're going to fly. That's us. It's called a one-way because it runs away. What's it? I was screaming loud because I felt weird. There's a desert there. And I am listening to music. The me. They took a photo of us. Wow, look at this photo. It's now eating time. And I got another kids meal. It looks so good. Voila! Some cake for my dessert. And with that, we have some melons. Melon fruits. Here's the big screen TV. If you press this green button, the remote will come out with a wire. And here's my table. After 4 hours of flying, we are very close to Dhaka airport. That's the airport. We're going down. We are now gonna land. It's called a runway because the plane is running away. Now we have arrived in Bangladesh. And I'm gonna rate it. Finally, we have arrived. Now we can go to our house that we're going to stay in for a few days. And bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. And click the notification bell. Stay with me for more videos. Bye-bye.